Hello Chaos crew! Today I have a video for you making some Cuban style black beans on the Instant Pot in just 1 hour, and this video is just about 3 minutes long. It doesn't get super overwhelming. The first thing we do is make the sofrito. As you already saw, I put some avocado oil in my Instant Pot, put blended peppers and onions, and now I'm gonna mince some garlic and add that there. The smell of sofrito, is not just food, it's Cuban happiness. It just means someone's cooking something yummy. It means flavor is coming, and it means that you're about to get fed. But in a Cuban kitchen, guys, this is liquid gold. It's the unofficial cologne of any Cuban house. The brand that I mainly use is Goya black beans. You can find that at Walmart, Publix, anywhere. You can use other brands if that's what you have. The first thing I do is rinse the black beans. I put them on a strainer to make it easier. Rinse them really well. And then I put them back into the Instant Pot. The next step is gonna be to fill with water. Just if you have a family of 4 or 5, you can fill it up to the 8-quart line. That's what I usually do. You can add more or less water depending on the thickness that you like. Of course, you're gonna add your salt, but you are gonna add more at the end just because you're gonna wanna regulate how it tastes. Salt, oregano, you're gonna add some bay leaves, ground turmeric, garlic powder, cumin, onion powder, and some black pepper. I also added some cachucha powder, but you can add fresh. You're gonna mix all of this in. If you want to try it now to kind of see about the salt, you can, because there's nothing that's not cooked in there. It's gonna be fine. I add a little bit of salt, but I always add more at the end. I will put them on for 60 minutes and then I'll let it release naturally. Once they are done, we are gonna add a little bit of brown sugar. I add a little bit of the vinegar where I have my cachucha peppers in, just to give it some acidity. And then you're gonna start smushing it down. You want it to get thickened, so you smush and you stir, you smush and you stir, and you check. You're gonna see the beans start to break apart a little bit, and they're gonna start releasing what they have inside. And that's what makes the black beans a little bit thicker and not watery. Here I am adding my sugar. It's about a teaspoon of sugar. I also added my vinegar in there. If you have vinegar from other peppers or something that you have and you want to add it, you can do that as well. And here I tried it and needed more salt. You can tell the beans have this opaque appearance now, and that means that they are thickened. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. Follow and like for more.